Good morning, boys and girls. Today we will look at page 83 in our Planet Maths. The chapter is Addition 4. So, to start off with a question, can anyone tell me why do we use doubles when adding? Yes, we use doubles when adding to help us add quicker and to help us learn our tables. So, for an example, if I asked you a question, what is 7 plus 8? Instead of saying, right, I'll start with 8 in my head and add on 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You get your answer, but it takes you a little bit longer than if you were to use doubles. So if we try it again using doubles. So if we said 7 plus 8. So first of all, if we said 7 plus 7, we know that 7 plus 7 is 14. And then we just have to add on one more. So our answer is 15. So it's really important to use doubles when adding your sums, and you can also do them when you're doing your tables. Okay, so let's have a look here at section A. Listen to your teacher. So I'm going to call out two double numbers, and you have to find which number in this box adds up to it. So for an example, if I said double fives, so I'm asking you what is 5 plus 5? Correct, the answer is 10, so you have to put a circle around 10. Okay, let's try a few more. What is double tens? So can you circle this number? What is double threes? What is double eights? And we'll try one more. What is double 12s? Well done. Okay, let's look at section B. Put a tick beside the cards that are doubles. X the ones that are not. So the first one is done for us. They have a tick beside 4 plus 4 because 4 and 4 are doubles, 2 4s. Right, is 7 plus 8 a double? No, a double would have to be 7 plus 7 or 8 plus 8. So we'll put an X in the box. So you can work through these all the way down to number 9. So a tick in the box for the doubles and an X in the box for the ones which are not doubles. Okay, section C. Colour the pairs of cards that are near doubles. Okay, so if you look at the first one, 4 plus 3. 4 and 3 are nearly doubles because there's only one number between them. So you can colour these two cards. Would 5 and 6 be a double? Would 1 and 4 be a double? Would 7 plus 8 be a double? Would 3 plus 10 be a double? And would 2 plus 3 be a double? So I want you to colour in the ones that are near doubles. And don't colour in the ones that are not. Okay, last section D. Use doubles to help you do these sums. Okay, so if we look at the first one, 3 plus 13. What two numbers are the same here? They both have 3's, don't they? So if we use our doubles to add, 3 plus 3 we know is 6. Then we have to add on another 10. What's 10 plus 6? 16. Number 2, we have two 4's. So we say 4 plus 4 is, and then you add on 1/10 to that. 3 is a double, so that's quite easy, 6 plus 6. Question 4, 8 plus 10. Now, the best way to do this one would if we said 8 plus 8, and then add on another 2. This one here, we could say 2 plus 2 is, and then add on another 10. This one is a double already. This one is a double. This one is a double. And the last one, then we'd say 1 plus 1 is plus another 10. So if you want to try all of those now.